What's up, Toosters? In 2 bits? Boy, I know y'all remember that 75 my boy Carlos had brought. It was in pretty bad shape. Well, we sent it to the paint shop. They finally sprayed it up. So now, we're just doing our part. Everything wrapped, stitched. He just wanted something back clean and OG, so we put him a fresh black top on there. Just cleaned it up, really. I think he in the process of trying to find him some wheels. Now some wheels he like. These definitely coming off. He said these is paint shop wheels. Don't say them is paint shop wheels. So we just doing the interior back of OG clean. OG clean. He didn't want too much. Nice and simple. He said make it look factory as possible. Y'all remember the red seats that came up out of here. So we just wrapped, stitched the dash. Getting it all back black. I'm gonna build him a nice little console. Put him 2 cup holders, CD player, a couple speakers on the side. My boy Lo said he got too many cars to be going too far on 1 or 2. So he's trying to get them all pretty decent, nice and clean. So you know it's official. I know y'all remember these. I know y'all remember these. So, we regrouped. We chopped, cut, and rebuilt. And came up with that. A lot better, a lot nicer, a lot neater, shall I say. Nice and clean. So he getting a Dakota Digital. Putting a Dakota Digital in there. I think he said he wasn't too crazy about adding a system or anything. So we got the door panels wrapped. Oh yeah, they did paint that spot this time. So we waiting on this weather stripping kit to come in. And shoot, that's about dead on this one, man. After that, he gonna take it, like I say, put his wheels on. He definitely needs some wheels and some skirts. Boy, they dripping that clear. They dripping that clear. But hey, it's not me. It's coming out pretty clean, man. Look like a Gamecock car. So this is pretty much the update on the 75. As you can see, it's coming out pretty dope on the inside. We're working on a slew of other things, man, trying to get them up out of here. I got this GTA that's on the chopping blocks. A couple don'ts, a couple box Chevys. All of them on the chopping blocks to get up out of here. So we're rocking and rolling, trying to move as fast as we can and still keep the quality up. Of course, you know, it's the summertime, so my guys are taking vacations and they need time off as well. Spend time with their family as well as I do. So, hey, we working. Y'all already know it ain't like I get many days off, but when I do, hey, I try to enjoy them with my family. And this heat is no joke. That's about that on that, man. Y'all see the room up here. We cleaning out. We cleaning out house. I'm getting them gone. One at a time. Could say that's about that on that, man. Update on the 75 Caprice from my boy Los. He's always been a loyal customer, man. Definitely appreciate him. He keeps something at the shop for me, so I definitely appreciate the support from the beginning. No moaning and complaining. Just a real good customer. And understand that the process is real. So appreciate you, Los. I know you got about 74 more calls. I can't do them all, but I can do some of them. Till then, man, I'll be back in a minute, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Give me some feedback. Let me know what y'all want to see. And I'll be back in a minute.